Welcome to Shunfa Hair Factory. We are manufacturing various custom-made human hair replacements. Our skilled production chain is preparing a lace-based hair system model called Q6. Now we put the lace on the mold to fix the lace and PU intersection, since Q6 is made with a lace from front hairline to top back and a PU from two temples into back crown. We are preparing the mold after we fix the intersection between the tape lines. When it is done, we will steam it in the oven during a moment to let it to be combined very well. And we need to remove the extra lace in the back to replace it by PU. Now the base is ready after we traced the patterns, and we could proceed into the knotting department. Meanwhile, we are preparing the hair to be fixed in the corresponding bases, wash and resin it very well. Drying it in the open air is the best way. Before to start the knotting, the hair need to be brushed to get soft texture and ensure it won't be tangled. And now we are grading the hair. We always use traditional knotting process. All is handmade. We knot the hair one by one carefully. Every customer has different requests the way their hair should be on the base, and we customize them as they wish. There are different lace as Swiss lace, French lace, German lace and fishnet. After the knotting the hair pieces are almost done, but we made our first quality control if the knots are tight enough and there is no falling hair. We check the weight if what was written is respected. For the skin base, to finish up, we add a layer on skin to protect the knot from falling hair. And we cut the extra parts on the base, skin and lace as well. Last quality check. Before packing the hair pieces, we comb the hair regularly. If there is no any problem with the hair, we put on each corresponding package, bag or box the production references and customer name or code.